All right, as some of you know, I tend to sometimes use a variety of different cameras, the main one being a Sony that's just a regular Handycam, but welcome the new member of the family. Yep, a ZV-1F, and it will be recording at 1080p 60 or 4K at 30. Yeah, we're going to take a look at this. So this isn't going to be a very long video. I'm basically going to unbox the new Sony camera and the Vlogger kit, kind of go through and show you guys what's in the box, show you what the picture quality of the camera is like, let you know that the Vlog kit normally for $100, I think it was $150, comes up $50 off at Best Buy right now when you buy both of them. That's not a plug for Best Buy, that's just giving you information. This does come with an SD card, this one does come with a battery, the charger, and all that stuff. We're just going to kind of open them up. I'll show you what the picture quality is, and then we'll go from there. So most of what I shoot, if it's not on the webcam, it's on a Sony, I believe it's an X405 or AX405 or something like that, SX405. Just a regular Handycam. It shoots in 1080p, 60 frames per second. This puppy right here is a ZV-1F, and it shoots in 1080p, 60 frames per second, or in 4K at 30 frames per second. So we're just going to open everything up. It should have the cord and everything in the box. Instructions are always good. You can see it's fairly small. It is actually about the same size as the 405, the camera that I'm recording this video with. It does have a lens cap. It's pretty nice. Well, we'll just leave it off for right now. There's a shoe on it. Comes with a couple different settings. We'll go over all that in the video where I actually do the review on it. There is a rear panel that is articulated, so you can turn it to whichever view. Holds pretty steady in whichever case you want to, or whichever direction you want to put it. It seems to hold position really, really well. So I like that. Looks like it's a standard battery that I don't remember what the size of the battery is, but I believe it's the same battery that goes in to the camera, the 405 that I'm recording with. So that'll be pretty convenient. I don't have to swap batteries. I don't have to buy more batteries because I already have spares. So that in itself is going to be pretty cool. All right, so that's the camera, and then of course it does have charging cables and all that stuff. Underneath here where it takes the battery, it also has a slot for the SD card. It looks like it's a full-size SD. Again, we'll cover that later. Will that stay locked? That will stay locked. Okay, we're going to put that off to the side for just a second. The Vlogger kit, we're going to open it real fast. I say real fast, may not be. There we go. And the magic of this is it's a Bluetooth connected device. It will connect directly to the camera, and you can use basically a remote type control for your camera. It is a tripod that you can put the camera on, and this kit does come with an SD card. That's nice, a little carrying case. Camera didn't appear to come with any kind of carrying case, but that's okay. All right. And then you can see there's a battery included. That's nice. And I don't see any hint of an SD card. All right, as it turns out, the SD card is not in the package with the tripod. It is actually in the box that the kit came in. So evidently they're counting these two pieces as different parts of the kit, the tripod and the SD card. Do you have a 64 gig SD card? That's going to be awfully handy in that camera. And I will go ahead and show you guys some of the footage, video footage from the camera next, and we can kind of make up our own mind. And like I said, there will be a review on this later after I get a chance to use it, but I wanted to show you guys basically what I'm going to be using now besides a webcam, or along with the webcam, to do videos. Like I said before, I am using just the video or the audio that's straight on the camera. I'm having to hold it out in front of me because approximate distance or height of what my webcam usually records, so you get a similar idea of that. Yeah, this is, so far it's pretty cool. The balance is pretty good. My hand is shaking just a little bit, but you can't really tell that much, so I do like that quality of it. And overall, the picture looks pretty good, so we'll see what it looks like in editing. But I just want to kind of do an unboxing, let you guys see what the audio and video is, and then we're going to do a full review on it in a couple of days. We'll go ahead and be able to take some video inside, outside, maybe use it as a webcam or the webcam setup that I have on my desk. We'll put it there to see. Go ahead and do some audio tests, both with the raw audio and with the windscreen on it. So maybe we'll get a chance to see something with wind and how well that dampens the sound. So far, all the reviews I've seen on this are really, really good. So I'm looking forward to it. I was looking for a camera. I was looking for a good camera. This one came highly rated and highly reviewed, and I'm looking forward to do the review myself. Sony ZV-1F. And it comes, like I said, the camera itself comes with the battery and the charging cables and everything, lens cap. You can get the accessory kit. Right now it's on sale at Best Buy. I have no idea how long that sale runs for. I'm just mentioning it. I'm not actually going to put a link down there. But if you buy the kit, the vlogger kit, which includes the tripod and the memory card, then that's $50 off right now. So it ends up being about $600 for everything. So, which isn't too bad. And this camera seems to be fairly budget priced and very, very good quality. So hopefully this is going to turn out pretty well, and it's something I'll enjoy using. It's very small, lightweight. I got big hands, so that might be the only drawback. But so far, everybody has said that they really, really like it. So we'll see what happens. So I'm going to put this video together to get it out there. I don't usually do an unboxing, but I was kind of excited to get this and do this. And so I wanted to put it out there as quick as I could for you guys, and I'm going to start using it, and we'll get some videos out. So if you're out there and watching this and you got this far, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit me up on all the other socials and all that stuff. If you're not already subscribed and you want to see a video about this, or you want to see a review on this coming up, don't forget to go ahead and get subscribed so you get reminded of it. And I'm only going to ask you one other thing, and that's be kind to each other. Be good to each other out there, okay? Smile, wave, hold the door open, say good morning, something. Be good to each other. You'd be surprised just how good you might feel doing something kind for somebody. Okay? So that's it. That's all I got. So until next time, folks, I'll see you later.